Hi, I'm Ken Bianco Jr. and welcome to TrainWorldTV. We're getting in waves of shipments of this new Piko HO engines. Now these are totally unique, different, something you've never seen before inside the States. So I just wanted to go through a recap of some of their best-selling, hottest engines. This engine right here is their #1 selling unit. It's actually a Russian engine, and let's take a look. It's the CHME3 RZHD. I don't know what that stands for, but it's got the Soviet Union emblem, just really unique, different. If you're looking to mix and match different countries on your layout, again, we carry or include the KD number 19 knuckle coupler, and you could just switch it out. And again, this is DCC ready, beautiful engine. This is one of their steam locomotives. Again, this is the BR95 classic line. This does not smoke, but it's a standard DC locomotive. Very nice, well put together. A lot of people have been commenting on some of their Piko HO just lasting lifetimes. Very well built. This is the BR130. This does come with sound, and I just want to show you some of their sound features. Each engine is totally unique, different. Like an airplane starting up. Just unbelievable sound, unique, totally different. It's like you're in an airport hangar, just unbelievable sounds. Brakes on there. Just totally unique, different. And then this one is the BR219. A little bit different style, but again, all these trains, European trains, are totally unique, different. It's something new to the market. Again, you don't have to be stuck with the same old American locomotives. You could try something out of the box, different, fresh. And again, they come with the 19 couplers. You don't have to be afraid it's got European couplers. It's a quick, easy swap out. So, let's give this one a shot. Just very well made. Again, you could shop online 24/7 at TrainWorld.com for all your Piko HO engines, freight cars, everything. Again, I'm Ken Bianco, and have a great day.